entries. Now, what we need to do, we need to understand how the automatic clearing is being done. And to check that out, first of all, we need to see what is the impact on the uh, GRIR clearing account and trade provisions account, because these were the open item management accounts. Okay, so this is the entry which has got posted. Let us go to FPL3N. So now I have gone to FPL3N, and within FPL3N, I need to select certain GLs, and those GLs will be related to basically, uh, GRIR clearing and trade provisions. Okay. So what are my GLs? Let me go and check. Okay. So I will come down and trade provisions. See, you can see it is sorry, I missed it, I suppose. Here it is. So trade provisions, we can see 100505, 100506, and GRIA 100504. So I will select these three accounts. 100504, 100505, and 100506. Okay, and I will execute this. So once I have done that, and then I will just go and click on execute. So now you can see this was our PO 210018. This is our PO, and the entries are with respect to this. WE is goods receipt and RE is invoice receipt. Now this is for GRIR clearing. You can see against the goods receipt, the invoice receipt has been done. Okay, the invoice, the purchase order number remaining the same, and these are the document numbers. So against the goods receipt, the invoice receipt is done, and it is nullified for raw material standard. Same goes with raw material moving average. You can see against the goods receipt, the invoice receipt has been done and it is nullified. But is it clear? These are still open items. So that's for GRIR clearing. Let us also see for freight provisions. In freight provisions also, okay, let me go down. Okay, you can see even in case of freight provisions, although the account has got cleared, you can see when the goods receipt was there, these were the freight provisions. Freight provision is a liability. It was credited. When the invoice was done, it was debited and vendor was credited. So against the goods receipt, invoice receipt posted for raw material standard freight provisions. Amount has become nil, but it is again, the items are not yet knocked off. Same goes for raw material moving average as well. You can see 100 against the goods receipt and invoice receipt, but it is not yet knocked off. So what you need to do? So in this case, what we need to do, we need to do the account clearing, and that automatic account clearing is called as F.13. I will go to F.13. Okay, and I will enter my company code ABB. Fine. And what I will do, I will just come down. I will select GL accounts. Okay, I will directly select the GL accounts, and then I will go to the GL accounts 100504, 100505, and 100506. Okay, and I will execute this. Okay, and then I will come down. Okay, this is fine. So I can do the test run right now and can check. I will execute it. Okay, now you see it is showing. This is how it is clearing. Okay, the same GRIR clearing account, you can see this is the GRIR clearing account and it is clearing with 2500. Now it's showing is green. This is the test run. Our GRIR clearing account should get knocked off, and that is what is required in F.13. We can clear the GRIR clearing account. Now what is important over here, sorry I missed it, and I will show you once again. Let me remove the freight accounts and I will show you uh, an important stuff of the GRIR clearing account, why we need to clear that off altogether and how it gets cleared. Okay, I will show you something. So if I go and execute this, so if you can see this GRIR clearing account, I didn't mention anything, but it is getting cleared off on the basis of what? On the basis of this assignment. Assignment is what? Purchase order number. And where did we choose this? Where did we select this? How the system is automatically taking this? I will show you. I will go to FS00. Okay. When we created this account of GRIR clearing account, I will go to current liabilities 100504, and then let me go to control data. In control data, let me come down. Let me just try to edit this. Okay, let me come down and I will show you. This is our GRIR clearing, and you see the sort key is purchase order. Due to this purchase order, system has been able to recognize what is the GRIR account that needs to be knocked off. Okay, so the purchase order number helps you to do the automatic account clearing through F.13. Okay, and then if you want, you can just go back, remove the test run, and then you can execute it. Okay, it's in the production run. Okay, that's fine. Click it, and now you can see everything is knocked off. Okay, now one more thing. This has been knocked off. This is called as automatic clearing. Through F.13, this automatic clearing has been done. GRIR clearing account is also knocked off now. Okay, but where these rules are defined, that's again one of the important questions. So where these rules are defined, if you want to understand, this is an additional tip I am giving you. If you go to OB74, this is where we define the rules as to how automatic clearing can happen. You can see additional rules for automatic clearing. So you can see over here what it shows, that these are the account types, whether it is debtors or vendors or GL accounts. Okay, any type of account, how that will get cleared. So you can see the very first criteria is, let me take it as a GL account. Okay, so if you can see all the GL accounts, the criteria is, the first criteria is that it should get cleared by ZUNR. ZUONR is nothing but it is the sort key, it is the assignment number, and that was the purchase order in this case. Okay. Then if it is not cleared by ZUNR, then go for GSBER, or then if that is also not possible, then third criteria is V1, that is the trading partner. So this is how automatic clearing can happen, and you can create the rules for automatic clearing. So hope you like the FIMM integration. If you liked it, like the channel, like the channel, subscribe the channel as well, like the video and share it with others to spread the knowledge. Thank you.